Alright, so we have plasma versus random. I'm not.
No, it's Skyla versus a pony.
Skyla versus a pony.
Pony.
And then there's a brony.
Not a brony! I hate the show so much.
Oh crap, he's like in the shower.
I don't like the new shows, but I like to see
I'm pretty sure y'all just pictured me in the shower and you're throwing up.
I have a lot of the old stuff, collectible things. Yes.
I'm disturbed at the thoughts you were thinking of.
Well, hey, just think, I'm 20 pounds lighter than I was, so it's not as bad. That's still pretty bad. I knew you were going to say it. So say, Lonnie, which first person do you think I should do? Like, see Ricky's hand or see Jennifer, or just like move back and forth? It'd be hard to get to walk all the way around.
Yeah, you're going to have to go all the way around the table constantly, so I just say kind of stay there and go back and forth.
You know, or I could, like, record it at the same time and just like move clips in order, but that would take way too long.
Yeah.
Or I guess you could hand me the camera and I can film her hand and then go back.
Oh my god, yeah, I can, like, whenever he ends, I can just
learning.
pass it over to you.
From this. This is my learning time.
See, I'm learning about my channel.
Well, this is a new deck for me. Oh yeah, and the random chat box in here.
I ordered Lugias off of eBay and have not got them yet, so.
Heads? Okay. Yeah.
I'll go
first. Okay. You're first.
Okay, so who's going first?
Jesus, go first. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7.
If I'm too close, tell me.
They're slippery. I can't help it.
Too close yet?
Alright, Eric, go first.
Hey, just think, I had this assault on camera.
Ow! Snorlax!
Can I have him arrested for that?
Okay, I gotta remember Snorlax. It's block for... Snorlax has block on what?
You can't retreat.
Can't retreat.
It's horrible. I hate it so much. It destroys my deck.
Okay.
Yes, people, I don't know how to play this. So.
Yeah, he's still learning with it, so.
Go back.
He's going to aggro Snorlax, man.
He always does that.
I'll try it and play the colors again.
Really?
Jesus.
Is he gonna do it again? Can he do it again?
Dude, if you would have started with Shadow, you could have got a turn 1 Lugia.
I know, it's crazy. I'm gonna...
I like how
you
you
just
said if you would have started with Shadow, you would have got a turn 1
That's
Lugia.
red.
Yeah.
That makes so much sense.
Huh?
I said, I like how you just said if you would have started with Shadow, you would have got a turn 1 Lugia. That makes so much sense.
Yeah, because I was mentioning the proxy in here.
I know, but still.
God, you should have started with that. Dang. I can't attack anyway. Oh, yeah, that's right, my bad. I'm noobing out now. Actually, no, you're hitting for a crap ton next turn if you can get
So
some
what would be
Pokemon.
30 plus what? Would be the damage on
It's
that?
30 times the number of plasma Pokemon I have like, in play.
So right now it's like...
Right now it's nothing.
Okay.
Soft pass.
Can't attack on first turn.
Bye.
Beach.
The most evil card ever, because it costs so much.
Attach for turn. Love a ball. I'm going to go back in. I'll just play it once at a time, okay?
Sparkman.
Okay.
There you go.
Gotta get it short on camera.
Got it. Do you want me to shuffle? Because I'm going to go back in. I'm shuffling. I'm going to be going back in, though. Okay? Because I'm playing... I'm playing Skyla.
Okay, apparently these are prisms too. My rainbow energies are prisms too.
I forgot to switch them out.
Apparently now.
Good job.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I forgot to switch them out.
No, I'll get drink.
Man.
Yeah, we were tired when we got back last time. We got back to this place.
We got back at like 11:30.
I didn't sleep last night, so shut up.
Ow.
That's your
Used
fault.
to it. You're weird.
I have insomnia.
You're weird.
It's not being weird, I'm insomnia.
Also my attachment.
I was one of those hard.
You sleep more than me though.
No, I bet I don't.
I'm gonna take a wall challenge.
Well, you slept last night, so yeah.
How much does muscle band do? 20?
7 hours I've gotten.
30 plus 20, you're not.
You're the wrong card. Here you go.
I got
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, it does.
Yeah, but
Here's your turn.
Frozen City over that beach.
yay, no more beach.
And again, that's why that should not be $200.
And this is the Prism.
Energy.
Okay, guys, whenever he attaches a rainbow with a prism, I forgot to switch him over. Get a plasma ball.
Yeah, it's probably
Don't help him.
First having.
yeah, I'm gonna play it.
Shut Michael helps you all the time.
Okay.
So
And you've been in this game for a long time.
he's been playing a while.
Detach airs here.
Not
Yeah.
plasma.
Yeah, but not competitively.
Yeah.
Getting collaborate.
And there, I kind of quit there for a while too. 'Cause I worked there.
Deoxys is plus 10.
Okay, so it'll do 100. Ooh.
So yeah.
Remains fake.
Well, I don't know if you want to hit an outrage Pokemon, to be honest with you.
Yeah, I know, right?
Oh,
I might
God.
want to wait till I can knock it out.
Yeah.
So yeah, I'm gonna pass.
Trying your turn.
Collaborate.
Yeah. My turn to hold.
Jolteon.
Monsters on my side of the field gain 5
That's a pretty
points
card.
back.
He's pretty,
And
I'm
isn't
not
he?
gonna say what it is, but it's pretty.
Other effect is I can target an Archfiend I have,
Deck of
and then
Juniper
another
like some
Fiend.
people.
The Fiend is removed, and then I summon another Archfiend from an deck with the
Okay.
same number.
Pretty much gonna get one.
Okay.
Skylar.
If you would be destroyed by battle or by card.
She got Juniper.
In it.
I think you should have too.
Yeah.
Really?
The basic card.
Yeah.
That was- I think you should have gotten that.
Yeah, I should have got it. Yeah.
I could get one of those last night.
Fell on my
Once
plus.
per turn during your end phase.
She doesn't have all three of them in here, by the way.
Or once per turn during your end phase, if
All
you
three
use
what?
this effect,
Beach.
Good God, you have 3 beaches.
I should have got that card last time. 'Cause someone
Yeah.
had it.
Beach.
Wow.
Such a beach.
Yeah, that actually just
Language, sir.
I could've got it.
You and Kate, I
Arch
swear
Fiend
to
for
God.
first
What?
card.
I said beach.
Yes, but
That's the
I'm
card.
pretty sure people know what you're implying.
Little kids don't.
2000, 15.
Yeah, I can see it now. Mom,
Outrage for
Mom, you're
50.
such a beach.
You're at 100.
Well, they didn't know I was using it in that context until you just did that.
Your context.
So totally should have got.
That doesn't make
Juniper.
You
sense.
should have got it.
You should,
Well,
you should have that
I'm
now.
gonna. She knocks me out if I don't do damage though. But then if I do damage, she's gonna one shot the next Pokemon.
19,
Either.
15.
You're screwed.
Yeah. Actually, hang on, dude. Just beach. Play beach.
Yeah. I'm gonna do it.
Just use her beach.
Yeah.
Draw to you at 7.
That's like, yeah, because you should have got the Juniper. I'm sorry I said that you should have got
Yeah.
the Plasma Ball.
Bugging me.
See, this is why you shouldn't help, because you're not help.
Yeah, one.
That's evil.
How many tournaments have you won?
Shut up.
Okay, that worked. Let it go.
You've only like 1 or 2.
Or 3.
That's pretty
Or
good.
4. Or maybe 5.
Outrage for
I've
50
probably
come back
got
out.
way more than you have.
If he's
So?
by a card that
Yeah.
sits in the graveyard, I can target one Archfiend monster in my graveyard except for Cavalry.
That's why I don't help people.
And that monster can attack the turn. It's not that way.
Let's see.
Hey, Mike, you realize it's his turn?
No. I'm not paying attention.
I'm gonna Ultra Ball.
No, punch Norton Papal operative.
Okay, what should we do again? Oh, I forgot.
Detach, face up attack position, and it loses center attack.
Yeah, give her the my turn.
Yeah.
0. Oh, dang. 0. Oh, dang, man.
You're lucky you did that. Not gonna do damage, bad damage.
21, 15, your turn. Direct attack.
10, 20, 50. Bench Pokemon?
I'll switch.
Wait a minute. What's the rain knuckle?
It gives me a. I can attach
Why does this
energy
nice
from
of
my
a
discard pile to
sandwich?
one of my bench.
I don't know.
I think you're gonna like
It doesn't even have anything to do with what it says.
That's basic energy though, not a DC or
No, it's
anything
any
like that.
energy.
Any energy.
Attach an energy from your discard pile to your bench pile. So
Ooh, so you got some plasma energies.
My dice randomly has a sandwich on it. Don't ask me why.
No, we can't attack
Yeah.
100.
that's also bad. Alright, attach. I'm gonna go ahead and raid knuckle for 30, 50.
Protects it. You go.
for that.
Okay. 50 energy to. Oh, the
That's
chat not
melee.
coming out, huh?
That's a Lugia.
It's a Lugia. Yeah.
Yeah. What's Cheddar? Week 2?
No, it's
No, it's
Lugia.
Lugia.
Lugia
Lugia
with the electric.
Oh, okay. All right.
Yeah, they're supposed to be Lugias, but we don't have any.
Okay. I'm getting it. I'm good.
I ordered them like really
Dylan,
early
realize
in the
it's
week.
her turn, right?
Yeah.
Hey, Lonnie, you realize you're an
It's
idiot.
okay.
Hey, you're the one overgoing. Falling down. Take marshmallow.
Takes 4.
Synchro with marshmallow.
4 and a
Ancient fix
plasma
it.
energy. Yeah.
Just
Is that 4 altogether with the plasma?
30 plus 50.
So if I attach that, I'll be good after I do
That'd be
attack
80. Outrage for 80.
If I had a chance,
30,
I would've
50, 80,
put her face down,
90,
I would've
100
got their effects.
with muscle band.
I was debating if I wanted to portrait her or Blade Knight.
Talk about a top deck. Good lord.
Uh-oh.
Okay.
I think it is,
First, I'm gonna go ahead and attach here. Prism. Prism.
Like I said, this is testing week.
Mind control in here though.
First step.
Party helmet on. I don't think that's on.
Wait, Jennifer, did you take your prize for Snorlax?
Yeah.
Yes.
It's fine.
Oh, okay, make sure.
Sorry.
I'm sorry, it looked like 6 from my angle.
Come on, Dick. 7.
Dear
That's
God.
something.
I can't tell if this is bad or good.
You can do it right now.
Yeah, I can.
Sounds like it might be good.
Get that, oh, what are those called? Play Pokemon reward. So they are. The things you get in the mail.
Oh,
Oh, yes. Yes,
Yeah.
the prize.
Yeah, the
the things you get.
The plasma energies are so beautiful. Hey, wait. You got stuff.
Okay, I'll
Get
things.
another Pokemon.
Do the things.
Or you can play that Genesect and use it for G Booster. I mean, Red Signal.
I already played
I was like,
with
what?
things, so
I was
good
like, you
thing.
run that?
My bad.
Negate it.
negate this
Can't see what you have left in there.
I guess.
But you know what? I would bench the Genesect.
Yeah.
So fill it. Yeah, I'm gonna fill it.
Yeah, I would bench the Genesect.
Okay. Okay. Sure it is.
It's not bad either.
Chingy.
Yeah, now do it.
I've already gone.
Retreat 1.
For the Lugia. The random Lugia.
Transfer swing.
Okay.
And then
Lugia.
hit what's his attack doing? Because I don't know it.
Plasma Gale.
Doesn't even look anything like a Lugia.
Plasma Gale for 120.
It's a colorless and it's weak to
30,
11.
140. And then I discard a special energy for it.
What y'all talking about?
121. Was it 120 plus the muscle band?
Plus the
It's 120.
I
It's
thought
140,
plasma
140, 50, 60, 160.
Oh,
It does a
160.
base 120.
That's
Yeah,
an
that's-
EX. That's a kill.
Yeah,
That's
and
not
then you take an extra prize.
So
that's
that's
an-
an EX.
Yeah, that's
an
an
EX.
EX.
Take
Three.
three.
So I'll
Take
take
3
3.
because the Lugia's effect.
Through Lugia's effect, right?
Yes.
Right.
Take all of the prizes.
Not on him.
No, not
I
that
hope
big
that
a
special
cheer.
energy.
I like it a Pikachu. Drawing for turn.